What is Oracle? Oracle Database is a powerful, multi-model database management system used for storing, managing, and retrieving data efficiently. It is widely used in enterprise applications due to its scalability, reliability, and support for SQL. What is SQL? SQL, Structured Query Language, is a standard language used to interact with relational databases. It allows you to perform operations like creating, updating, deleting, and querying data in the database. Objective: Oracle Live SQL is a web-based platform that allows you to practice and execute SQL scripts. Below are step-by-step instructions to create an account, run scripts to create the EMP and dept schema, save your sessions, and rerun scripts in subsequent sessions. Steps to complete the lab. Let's begin with the assignment lab. Create an Oracle Live SQL account. Open your browser and navigate to Oracle Live SQL. Click on the Sign Up button if you don't already have an Oracle account. Fill in the required details: name, email, password, etc., and verify your email address to activate your account. Once verified, log in using your credentials. Login information must be visible in every screenshot. View the code library. After logging in, you will land on the Live SQL workspace. Click on View Scripts and Tutorials. Run the dept and EMP script. Browse or search for code examples such as dept and EMP to find pre-written scripts. Click on the desired script to open it. Once the script is open, click the Run button, a green triangle icon, in the editor. Click the Perform Actions button. A success message will be displayed. Ensure the scripts execute without errors. These scripts typically create the dept and EMP tables and populate them with data. Check the schema. After running the scripts, click on Schema in the left-hand panel. Confirm that the dept and EMP tables are listed in the schema. If they are not visible, refresh the schema or verify that the script ran successfully. Run a select statement. After the script is complete, click the SQL Worksheet button in the navigation panel on the left-hand side of the screen. If you don't see this panel, click the little menu button at the top left. In the editor, type the following SQL queries to view the data. Select from EMP. Click the Run button to execute the queries. In the editor, type the following SQL queries to view the data. Select from dept. Click the Run button to execute the queries. Save your session. After running your scripts, click Save disk icon in the top right corner of the editor. Name your session, ITSE 2309 Lab 1, and add a description. Your session will be saved and accessible in your My Sessions area. Rerun scripts in the next session. Log into Oracle Live SQL during your next session. Go to My Sessions from the navigation bar. Open the previously saved session by clicking its name. Click Run to re-execute the script. You can make changes to the script if needed before running it. Now you can watch the complete tutorial of this assignment. Thank you for watching and best of luck.